Data is the lifeblood of the digital world, and protecting your personal information is more important than ever. That's why the Government of India has introduced the draft Digital Personal Data Protection Rules. These rules expand on the Digital Personal Data Protection Act of 2023 by focusing on how your personal data should be processed and protected by organizations. Let's break it down for you. First, data fiduciaries are organizations that collect and process your data must give you a clear notice explaining what data is being collected, why, and how it will be used. The language of the notice must be simple so that everybody can understand it. You, as a data principal, have rights and the power to control how it is collected, used, which means that organizations must make it easy for you to withdraw your consent anytime, just as easily as you gave it. Moreover, you can access, correct, or delete your data, and companies must make this process clear and straightforward. Under the draft rules, data is classified as personal data and sensitive data. Personal data includes details like your name, contact information, or anything that identifies you. Sensitive data, on the other hand, includes information like your financial record, health data, or biometrics. Processing sensitive data requires stricter security and compliance measures to ensure your privacy is protected. To keep your data safe, companies must encrypt your data, have access control, and conduct regular audits to prevent unauthorized access. In case of a data breach, organizations must inform you promptly. They must explain what happened, how it might affect you, and what steps they have taken to fix the issue. So, what happens if the companies collecting your data require consent, but the person accessing the services is a minor? Are they then equipped to give their consent? The draft rule says that for children's data, companies must get verifiable consent from parents or guardians. They'll also ensure verifications through identity checks like using DigiLocker. Some exceptions exist. For example, data used for research or statistics may be processed without following all the rules, but only under strict guidelines like anonymizing to protect individuals' identities, and that the data is used solely for public interest or scientific purposes, which again must follow ethical standards. This draft is open for your feedback until February 18 of 2025. So head down to the link below and share your thoughts and help shape these rules because your data is your rights.